Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing our brand new Papus die cut machine. So let's start the video. So this is the main machine. Now I'll tell you how to assemble it. In another packet, we have the plates. First of all, we have a plate C. We are having a white thick one plate A and two plate B's in this die cut machine. Along with the plates, you'll see an instruction paper which will guide you how to place your plates for embossing and die cutting. Now I'll tell you how to place the plates. First of all, you'll take the plate A in the base. You'll place plate C on it, your metal die on it facing it plates upwards, and your cardstock or any paper you want to cut on it, and plate B at the end. You will let me know in the comment section if you want to see how this machine works. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!